Fred. This is how you work out your triceps. Come on, Destiny. Get in there. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. You look at my Fred. Hi, Fred. You might get your look at your butt. Look at the butt. Show him the butt. Show him the butt. Okay, fine. Give me the belly. Give me the belly. Give me the belly. You big dog. Oh. You gonna let Destiny step on you? I love you too. I love you too. Get it, Max. Get it, Max. There we go. Now watch Destiny and Max go at it. That's fun. Watch this.
You know what time that is, right? 4:20. Get your head right. Medication station, right? At 8:30 p.m. there's trial. Intuitive logic and dinner. Choose 124 now until that is able to...
Hey, Fred. Fred, don't you dare, Fred. Thank you. Fred, don't you dare. Well, I see you, Max. I don't know who's watching who.